Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly introduce you to our 2018 Volkswagen Beetle. This is a Trendline. Comes in a beautiful blue paint with a nice charcoal cloth interior. Two-tone with a pattern in it and a nice white pinstripe running down the middle. Matching the outside, you have blue running across the whole dash into the doors, and also, as I'll show you in a little bit, on the steering wheel. To reach the second row, this being a coupe, you do not have 4 doors. All it is a lever right at the top here. Pull it forward, it gives you easy access. Just got to push the seat to close it off. Passenger seat does have lumbar, backrest adjustment, height adjustment, and you can move the seat forward and backwards. Coming around to the back, you do pull on the logo here so that you can pull open the trunk. You also have the backup camera hidden away inside too, so it will always be clean. Nice cargo capacity here on the Beetle, nice deep area as well. Left and right sides have cutout with a 50-50 split on the back row seats here. Fold in so that you could expand into the exterior, carrying larger items. Coming over to the driver's seat, you have the same exact setup as you do on the passenger seat, including a one pull here to reach the back row if need be. You do have your window switches, your door switches here on the left side. Show you another image here of the back seat space that you are working with. The rear seat passengers do have a 12-volt outlet as well as a cup holder. Jumping on in here. At the time of filming, this vehicle is at 43,132 kilometers. Here's this beautiful steering wheel that I was talking about. Very plain, but you do have a nice splash here of the blue, giving it a lot of life. Looking at the infotainment system here, you do have Sirius XM, FM, AM radio. You also have access to Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, so you could get live satellite access for Spotify, navigation, by using whatever app that you prefer. Google Maps, Apple Maps, Waze. You have full Bluetooth, like I was saying. Down here, you have your climate controls, heated seats for the passenger and driver. Below there, you have a nice little cubby hole here where you could store your phone, auxiliary input, USB input for that Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You have your gear shift knob here with that beautiful blue wrapping all the way down and around again. Another 12 volt right there. This is an armrest, but it does have that little storage area as I just showed you. Cup holders right there. Nice little touch with the Beetle is you have tons of cargo space, upper and lower area. You have these nice little straps here where you could store books. And up top you have your light switches. And you have a nice blacked out headliner here, which really adds to how sleek this vehicle looks on the inside. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly introduce to you and show you a couple of features here of our 2018 Volkswagen Beetle that we just got on the lot. Please feel free to give us a call, reach out to us, contact us, text us, however you feel comfortable, and we will be happy to answer any questions that you may have or to help schedule a test drive for you. Here's to hoping that we can help you out with your car search. Thanks for paying attention and tuning in. Take care.